Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Explore with Greg. This is kind of like a little bonus video because today we're going to be checking out Melincourt Falls. I think it's only a short walk to the falls, about 15 minutes I believe, and I've just been to Elidir Trail and Melincourt Falls this morning, and this is quite nearby, so I thought I'd come and check it out. So I've got a little tip for you. If you come to Melincourt Falls, don't do what I do, or do what I did and wander around in the woods by the car park for 10 minutes going, well, I don't know which way to go. You've actually got to cross the road. And then when you cross the road, there's a path, and it's actually signposted Melincourt Falls. And as you can see, it's a proper, well, not proper path, but proper trail. So once you're on this trail, I guess that you can't really go wrong. Wow, I was not expecting this. It has just rained so hard for the last hour, and it is an absolute torrent here. Unbelievable. Wow. And there's the second one off to the right. Now, I've seen pictures that other people have posted where they've been stood on the rocks at the bottom, but I am obviously not going to be able to do that today. Wow, that is awesome. I just can't believe that. It's amazing. Do you know, I only came here because it was kind of local to where I was, and it's literally a 5-minute walk up from the car park. Wow, I'm just a little bit gutted that I couldn't stand on the rocks underneath. There was no way across, but that was spectacular. That's it. That's it for this video. It's literally like you park in the car park. I would say, yeah, maybe 5 to maybe 10 minutes up to the waterfalls. But that is well worth a visit. I think I got lucky in a way, because like, it was absolutely hammering it down for about an hour, like torrential, and that's obviously why it's a torrent like that. Wow, amazing. What an amazing day. So I'm posting these videos separately, but I've actually done 3 today. So if you check back on the previous videos, I did the Elidir Trail, I did Melincourt Falls, and this is Melincourt Falls. What an epic day. That's day 1 in Wales. How amazing is that? Wow.